Hey guys, it's me, Aussie's Goose Eminem today, and I am doing a giveaway, and if you want to enter, you have to subscribe, and I am giving away some Envy black grip tape for scooters. It is, I've had this for a while and I have no use for it. So if you want to enter to win this, subscribe, and I will leave a reply, and I will say who won the grip tape, and I will give it to him and him or her to keep. But if you want to get it, it's got no special pictures on it. It's just black, and I like it, but I have no use for it. So if you want it, sub to enter. And also a couple of shout outs to Grumpy Guy Gamer 5, Wolfboy BR11, and Wolfblood 1359, Turbo Frog, and Turtle Boy. Go check them out. Make sure you go just subscribe to them. If you have already, that's good, but I hope you like this video, and subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video.